Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80200070 during installation or updating of Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now, the primary reason behind this is interference of other software products, and the main solution will be clean boot. Now, I tried disabling startup apps and all, but still something was left. So, clean boot will definitely solve the problem. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, open system configuration, go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, wait, apply, okay, and restart. Wait, okay, hide all Microsoft services, disable all, apply, okay, and restart. So once you restart your system in the clean boot state, all third-party services and apps will be disabled by default. Now I'll tell you the best part about this situation. The best part about this situation is that you will not have any interference while installing Microsoft Edge, and no app will be launched till you specifically launch it. So that's what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.